Hello everyone. Week 7, so getting into August, hopefully. And with this one, you're going to be looking at prime numbers. If you don't remember what a prime number is, if I gave you the number 6, okay, 6 is not a prime number because its factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. All those together is 6. Now, if I gave you the number 5, 5 is a prime number because the only whole numbers that go into 5 are 1 times 5. So prime numbers are when their factors are just 1 in themselves. The other part of this situation is you're going to talk about mentally, how would you solve these problems mentally and explain your reasoning using mental math. And there's an opportunity for you to look at factors and multiples. Remember, factors are what we did up here. What are the numbers multiplied together that make that number? So 1, 2, 3, and 6 are the factors of 6. Factors of 12 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Multiples, the multiples of 12 would be 12, 24, 36, and you would keep going. And then there's some word problems for you to solve. There's a good one that's Mr. Harrison has between 340 and 380 pennies in a jar. When he divides them into groups of 4 or 5 or of 9, there's always 1 penny left over. Give yourself a chance. This is a good problem to really make yourself think critically and make sure you're really understanding not just division, but really multiplication and how they both coexist. And then what do you do with the remainder if there's 1 left over? So there is a friendly way to solve it. I'm not going to give it away to you, but it's definitely a good problem for you. That's problem D. And then day 3 is just going back to a diamond, and you're doing division with the diamond problem. So enjoy this week, and have a good one.